Welcome everyone in my YouTube channel Electronics Quick Learning. Today we will cover voltage level converter, low to high and high to low using some Mosfet. So basically a voltage level converter is a converter that will change a high value of voltage to low or low value of voltage to high. For example, I am giving you a low to high converter. Okay, so here what we are doing, suppose we are giving some low voltage, say VDD-L, okay, and we are getting some high voltage, say VDD-H. Okay, so this thing, or for example this one is 3 volt, we are getting 5 volt, so we need some circuit, okay, that will convert the 3 volt to corresponding 5 volt for low to high, and for high to low, and for high to low voltage, high to low voltage, high to low, high to low. In high to low we have to give the high voltage and we will get the low voltage. Okay, so this one is a 5 volt and we need 3 volt, so this one is the other circuit. So this high to low voltage converter and low to high voltage converter can be made by using Mosfet. So we will start with the high to low or low to high. Okay, two things we have to keep in our mind. So we will start with a low to high voltage converter. So for the low to high voltage converter, the circuit will be like that. Okay, first I am drawing the circuit. And the operation of this circuit is very simple. So okay, first we are using 4 transistors, say M1, M2, M3, M4 is our PMOS, and M1, M2 is the NMOS transistor. Okay, so we can also put the arrow in the source region, and we have to use 2 inverter here also. Why we are using, I will tell you. Okay, say this inverter is say 1, inverter number 1, and this one say 2. Okay, and one more inverter I am using here. This one say inverter number 3. Okay, so now for this inverter we are giving a low value of in supply, say VDD L, and this one is ground. Okay, so very simple thing is that. And okay, one more connection we have to make. This will be first coupled to this one. Here this one is a low to high voltage level converter. So for the operation, if we are giving a 0 voltage, or we can say the high voltage, suppose we are starting with the high voltage for this one. So for this one the high voltage is our VDD-L. So when this one is VDD-L, the corresponding output will be low. Okay, and after that again one more inverter is there, so its output will be high. Okay, so this VDD-L will turn on the M2 transistor, so M2 becomes on and this M1 becomes off. Okay, once again I am repeating this same concept. when we are giving VDDL as an input across the first inverter, the output of the first inverter is 0 and output of the other inverter is VDDL. That VDDL will turn on the M2 transistor and M1, here M1 become off. Now next, so when M1 become off, okay, when this input across the gate is 0 voltage, so this one is simple basic Mosfet operation for the NMOS. So this one is the off state and M2 is the on state. So when M1 is in on state, okay, so wait, I am writing in full detail. For input VDDL, okay, in inverter 1, okay. So when VDDL M2 become on, is it okay or not? M2 become on when VDDL is low, M2 on and M1 become off, okay. When M2 become on, this voltage say at point A, the voltage will be say VA, or we can say write the V of D2, or we can say V of G of 3, gate of 3 transistor is nothing but simply 0 volt, okay, because this will be the on, so this ground 0 potential will come here, okay, ideally. So this will become 0 volt here. So the corresponding output, now we are giving the VDD-H through this inverter, so 0 output voltage is there, so this output voltage will be VDD-H. Is it clear or not? When giving 0, it becomes 0 volt, VA becomes 0 volt, then this one is the third inverter. So if we are giving 0 volt, it will get the high value of VDD-H, because we are giving the VDD-H supply here, okay. So because in this one the supply is VDD-H, so the output will be VDD-H. So we are giving a low value, we are getting a high value, okay. If one more situation will be there, when we are giving the low value, say 0 volt, so output will again 0 volt. So this one is not generally used. So when, for example, suppose again I am doing, suppose this one is 0 volt, okay, so it become high, say VDDL, and it become low. So during that time M1 become on and M2 become off. When M1 become off, then it will count VG4 or VD, okay, VD1 equals to 0. That will force this transistor on, so this M4 become on. We are just using the simple Mosfet cons. So when this M4 on, so this voltage become VDD-H and the final output will be 0 volt. So we are giving 0 volt input, we are getting the 0 volt output again, means 0 volt here, then output will be VDDL. So M1 become on, then this M1 on, then this get voltage across the G4 or VD1 will be 0, because this one is in the on state. So now this one is on, so M4 become on due to low value of voltage, so VDD-H will come here, okay, and this VDD-H will give the output voltage 0 volt. So this one is the representation for the low to high voltage converter. So this one is slightly uses more number of transistor for the low value of VDDL to VDD-H, okay. So this one is the level converter for the low to high, okay, using Mosfet. Okay, so we can say it uses both VDDL and VDDH, and this symbol will be, means we can make low to high, low to high. So symbol may be like that. We can say this one is some symbol. When VDDL, or you can write it like that, VDDL, it should be VDDH, and when 0, output will be 0. So this one is the low to high, low to high voltage level converter, voltage level converter. Okay, this one is the circuit. Okay, so this one is the low to high voltage level converter. Okay, now we have to move to the high to low. High to low voltage converter is very simple. Okay, that's how it will work. I will show you. For high to low converter, okay, so again I will start with the high to low converter. So main what we are doing, suppose we are giving the 5 volt, we are getting the 3 volt in voltage. Okay, so 5 volt, 3 volt. So for this purpose we have to give the high value of input, we are getting the low value of voltage output. So how it can be achieved? So this one is our, okay, where is one? We can add this one as a high to low voltage level converter. It is very simple in comparison with the first one, very simple. Okay, how it's simple I will tell you. Okay, in that case what we are doing, we are using simple CMOS inverter. Okay, so I am just making 2 CMOS inverter. It is connected, and again you connect it. This you have to connect to back, what we can say, back to back CMOS inverter, and we need low value of VDDL at the output side, so we are giving the low value, and this say VDDH. Okay, so you can also put the arrow signal, okay, the source terminal, and you can make it enhancement type. I am not making the enhancement type, this is simple representation. So this one is our high to low voltage converter. Say this one will be VDDL. So how it will work? Very simple. When this one is VDDH, the output voltage will be 0. Okay, and when this one is 0 and this one is VDDL, so it will be simply VDDL. So it is very simple. Okay, so when this one is VDDH, okay, what we are doing, when VDDH we are giving, this one is become on, okay, and the output will become 0 volt. Okay, and when 0 is there, so this become on, okay, then the output become VDDL. This one, so low to high uses more number of transistor, but high to low one uses a very less number of transistor, only 1, 2, 3, 4, say M1, M2 or M3 and M4. So this one is our, what we can say, high to low voltage converter, and it uses only VDDL for the VDDH to VDDL. So this one, and this type of circuits is used as a level converter. All are the level, both are the level converter, and where we are using multiple VDD circuits, we have to use this type of level converter. So basically this one is level converter. Okay, so this is a very simple circuit for the high to low and low to high voltage level converter. Thank you for watching.